One of the things I always look for on New Year's Day is Ozoni. I love it and I eat it for the first 3 days, but who wants to be in the kitchen and take time to cook from scratch on the first day of the new year? So I always prepare it a day before. If you have it in your fridge, you can cook it for 10 minutes. Let's start with dashi, which takes the most. Soak 1 large piece of kumquat, which is about 1 ounce, and 5 to 6 pieces of dried shiitake mushroom. Keep in the fridge and it will keep well up to a week. This is a good dashi and actually a vegan dashi. And if you want your ozoni a vegan, make it without chicken. For the vegetables, we typically use gobo, carrot, and daikon. When you purchase a long gobo like this, cut into 3 and wrap tightly with a plastic wrap and keep in the fridge. It will keep well up to a few weeks. Scrub well to remove dirt and cut diagonally. So you are cutting against the grain and it cooks softer and faster. Release in cold water to prevent turning brown. For the carrot, peel and cut into 2 inches long strips. For the daikon, cut into the same size or little larger. Bring a large pot of water to a boil and start boiling with the carrot. The flower-shaped carrot will be used in osechi, so it's a part of New Year meal prep, so don't miss the following videos. Boil carrot for a few minutes and take out. And cook daikon for 3 to 4 minutes until soft, but take out it still have a crunch to it. Take out and then next cook gobo for 5 to 6 minutes. Gobo is a firm vegetable, so it will take the longest. Take the vegetables onto the bamboo mat and cool to room temperature and then transfer to a container. The vegetables will keep 3 to 4 days in the fridge. For the protein part, I'm using a chicken thigh. Remove skin if you don't like it and cut into small bite-sized pieces. In a container, combine with half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sake. Salt and sake season lightly the chicken and keep 3 to 4 days in the fridge. Wash Mitsuba leaves really well and keep in the container. And I love to use Yuzu for the fragrance, so if you find it, please use it. It makes so much difference. If you cannot find it, just skip it. And the Ozoni prep is done. Now let's cook Ozoni. Start grilling your mochi in the toaster oven and bring 2 cups of dashi to a boil and add 3 to 4 pieces of chicken into the pot and cook until done for a couple of minutes. Remove the scum to make the dashi clear and then add vegetables. Season with light soy sauce and cook until everything is nicely cooked for minutes. To serve the ozoni, add 1 scoop of soup first into a serving bowl, then add grilled mochi. The soup prevents sticking mochi to a bowl so that you can eat easily and clean up easily. Then pour over the soup and top with mitsuba leaves cut into 1-inch lengths and ikura if you have. And ikura creates a nice gorgeous finishing and adds unique texture and saltiness to the soup. Place shaved yuzu peel on top to add wonderful aroma. Put the lid on and lock the old aroma. And your ozoni is ready to serve. When you open the lid, the wonderful aroma will come up from the bowl. First, the aroma of yuzu and then flavorful dashi. When you sip the soup, you're gonna feel a mouthful happiness. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!